So you're thinking about moving to Charlotte, North Carolina, and you want some new construction options just south uptown Charlotte. Well, I'm gonna show you 2 homes in today's video, but they are not ordinary homes, and you have not seen these on this channel. These homes that are gonna be starting in the 300s, and it's absolutely fantastic. You can get products that are on golf courses, resort style amenities, and of course you're going to have the lifestyle of the modern open floor plans. And the first one we're going to see is right behind me, which is a beautiful 2-story traditional home. But this one actually has a 3-car garage here, and as well I'm going to show you a second home that's going to be priced a little bit more, and it's going to have more square footage. But wait until you see inside of this house, you're going to be absolutely blown away. My name is Dean, and I put out content every single week about living here in Charlotte. And I'm also a real estate agent, so if you have any questions about this community, or you're looking for an agent to help you find a house here in the area, go ahead and reach out to me today. I'm gonna put my contact information right below here. Go ahead and give me a text, give me a call, send me an email. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump in this video. So this house floor plan is called the Riley. It's a little bit over 3,100 square feet, and it's got 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. There is an option where you can do a flex room as well, and if you didn't need the full 5 bedrooms, but it's like I say, for the square footage and the price, some of the updates you're gonna see right here in the entranceway. As soon as you come in, you're gonna see this luxury vinyl plank flooring. You've got a nice coat closet right here. Very, very convenient location is the home office. You do, of course, have the French doors, which is pretty standard in this price point. You're gonna see the nice chair rail, board and batten style. Great space right here. If you wanted to, you could go ahead and convert this into a different room if you wanted something else in this space. But here you have your formal dining area. I was gonna call it a dining room. I like to call the dining rooms when they're actually enclosed. This one is not, it's wide open, but it is more of that traditional dining room. Love this. You've got these 3 small windows in the area, so it lets a lot of natural light in today. Hopefully it comes across pretty good, because today is a pretty gloomy day. But let's go ahead and check out this kitchen. The first thing that stood out to us as soon as we did this tour in here was this absolutely beautiful kitchen island. You've got the waterfall style here, quartz countertops. You've got these nice white shaker cabinets in here. Notice they've got this dish new style that we're seeing quite a bit. Rather than walk-in pantries, we're seeing these extended built-in areas, which are really nice. But just love these countertops. Just look at the coloring that they have here. You have, of course, you got your microwave and your oven over here. And of course, what kitchen isn't complete if you don't have your gas burner, cooktop stove? You've got your subway tile. They've designed this really well. They've killed it. So go ahead, drop a comment below, let me know what you think. But I love these gray color subway tiles, beautiful. And of course, you've got the nice farm style sink. Love when they put the sinks outside of the island. We don't see this too much now. Everyone's putting sinks in islands, but I personally like it when it's here, so you can see outside into the backyard. Now, as you come over here, you're now into the main living room area. Very nice. It's not that long, but it's pretty wide, so it really does give you a couple of different options what you can do in here. You could, of course, put a couple sectionals in here, or one section, or a couple chairs. But of course, I do like this nice shiplap finish over here with the hung there TV, and you've got the gas fireplace over here. Now I'm going to just show you this area. We'll go to the backyard here in a second, but I did want to point out these windows. They have got these 4 windows over here, so it does kind of feel inviting. It kind of feels like this backyard space area kind of pulls you in, and we'll check out the screened in porch here in a second. Here's the stairs for the 2nd level, and this is going to be your entrance point for the everyday living area. You're going to come through for the garage door, which is just over here. You've got this nice drop zone, which is very fancy. You've got the shiplap on here built in, so really nice millwork. And I didn't even mention the baseboards. You've got these nice 8-inch square cut baseboards, very stylish in today's cloak closet, entranceway to the garage. Now, if you've watched any of my videos before, I never go into the garage because there's nothing really exciting, but I've got to have to showcase this garage off. 3-car garage. If you see over here, all of these products do come with tankless water heaters, so absolutely fantastic. There is a bathroom and bedroom downstairs, full bathroom and bedroom. So you're gonna have these beautiful floors that you can see. You've got the nice white shaky cabinets and you've got the quartz countertops, full shower with tiled built in there as well. So it's really nice. Love that they have the full bathroom down here. Now this is not the primary owner suite. That's actually on the second level, which we're gonna get to here in a second. But I just love this area because you're gonna have a guest suite down here. If you do need that additional fifth bedroom and you have growing family and children, perfect. But if you don't, you can go ahead and use this for your out of town guests that come in and stay with you. Let me just make sure I go ahead and close this out. So let's go ahead now and check out this backyard. So one of my favorite things is the outdoor living here in the South. Other than today, we typically get nice weather, even in the cooler months, but screened in porches are a must. You've got this porch that was built in, but it's already pre-screened. You've got 2 concrete slabs, so it's plenty big enough. If you wanted to put a piece of furniture out here, maybe you want to put a TV here, you do have the electrical outlet, and it's shiplap siding, so really nice. And of course, if you wanted to extend this or you wanted additional living space out here, you've got 2 additional concrete slabs, which are oversized. So more dining area options, or if you wanted to do a fire pit, you could have that. But this will give you an idea just how big these lots are. They're all just around 1/4 acre, give or take. But as you can see, plenty of space if you wanted to do some fencing, playground, even if you wanted to drop a pool in back here, you've got that option. But this builder, what I really like about them, we do have the Bermuda strain grass here, which is dormant in the winter months, but this builder actually puts it in the back. Some builders just put grass on the front or sod and then seed on the back, but not this builder. Let's go ahead and check out the second level, but I just can't wait to show you the primary owner suite because it's really nice. So at the top of the hallway landing, we've got this really nice stair rail, which really makes it open up when you don't have it enclosed like this. But we're gonna start in the first bedroom, but I will pre-warn you that the model home that we're in today has actually made this a flex room. There's no wardrobe in this, or built-in closet, should I say. So as you can see, there's a transition in now, you're in the carpet area. They've got this set up like a flex room, maybe a media room, depending on what you need, if you needed that extra bedroom or not. There is a full bedroom right next door to it though. As you can see the difference to it. You do have a built-in closet, same carpet, nice carpet, and this one actually has its own ensuite. Love the tile floors in here. You do have the exact same countertops and cabinetry than the other bedroom, the bathroom downstairs. So there's an entrance point as well to this one from the main hallway landing. We won't go in there, but that's another entrance point. So now we're gonna go ahead and see a bathroom, a bedroom that has its own bathroom through Jack and Jill. Nice sized bedroom. This one's actually at the front of the house. You've got a walk-in closet, which is real nice with a window. Again, carpet in all the bedrooms. You can change that in the design studio. And now you've got the Jack and Jill. Now, just a little bit about these. You do have these pocket doors, which are absolutely gorgeous. Love these floors. Exact same countertops, cabinetry as the other bathrooms. And separately, which is really nice, because if you do using these bedrooms for a couple of kids and they are sharing this bathroom, the commode and the bath shower combo is actually separate, which is really nice, so kids don't hog up this space if they're not using it. And then the second bedroom is pretty much the exact same size. The only difference is windows on the side of the house, still lets a lot of natural light in, and you've got the nice closet on this one. Now, if you come in through here again, I'm gonna take a detour to my least favorite room in the house, which is always the laundry room. You've got tile floors, pretty good, nice countertops in here and cabinetry. It's not quartz, again, it's the laundry room. You can make that change if you want to, but you go ahead and it's pretty big, and you've got the cabinets in here. So as big as far as the laundry room goes, that's about as interesting as they ever get. Now we're gonna go ahead and check out this primary owner's suite. We have an extended tray ceiling in here, which has got the nice cut angles in here, which is nice. Carpet in here, staged. You're gonna have to use your imagination. I don't think they've put the bed box spring in here, so it looks a little low, but everything else is really nice the way that it's kitted out in here. 2 windows. You could easily go ahead and get a king size, maybe even a California king if you wanted it. But this is my favorite part in this. I just love the way these tiles pop with the color contrast between the countertops, which are of course quartz. You've got the white shaker cabinets. There is a window in here. Lovely shower in here. It's got the 2 shower heads. You got the rain head shower, which is really nice. Love the flooring. It really ties everything together, and it's got a bench in there. No bathtub, so let me know if you like bathtubs in here. You can go ahead and design one with a bathtub. This one doesn't have it. Some people still don't like them. You've got the commode in here, but this room that we're gonna go in here now, linen closet, This is one of the biggest closets I have seen in a long time. It actually takes away a little bit of the space from the bathroom, in my opinion. The bathroom's big. I've seen bigger, but this closet is absolutely ginormous. It goes all the way behind you, all the way and wrapping around over here. So as far as the size in this, it's absolutely fantastic. All right, so let's go ahead and talk now a little bit more about the price of this product. So this floor plan is called the Riley. It's a little bit over 3,100 square feet. It's priced at $590,000. This house is on the market right now. So you do have options to pick your dirt, your lot, and you can spec it out exactly what you want. So they do start really in the low to mid 500s, and this one is kitted out pretty nice. The name of the community is called Edgewater. We're just south of like the Valentine Indian Land area in a place called Lancaster. So it's about a 35 minute drive if you want to get to the South Charlotte corridor there. So location for South Charlotte ticks a lot of boxes. Now the HOA here is just $720. Now if you want to see something that's a little bit bigger, we're going to go ahead and stick around because we're going to show you a second property right now. So I'm really excited to show you this one. I'm going to call this one the big brother of the tour that we have just seen. This floor plan is called the Kensington, but there's a surprise upstairs that you will have no idea is coming. So the Kensington has some very distinct differences in the floor plans for the Riley that we just toured in here. Firstly is going to be the square footage. This one's going to be larger. It's 3,800 square feet, so roughly 700 square feet. But the layout in the home has another major difference, which is going to be a main level primary owner suite. But it's very similar in concept. When you come in, immediately you're going to see this home office. Same features in the last one. You're going to see the French doors. You're going to see the chair rail around there, which is always nice. Decent size front of the house, lots of natural light through the windows. But this floor plan has a dining room and a dining area. This is the dining area, the formal dining area. Really nice. Again, you've got the tray ceiling here, but a sneak peek. This product and the floor plan has a butler's pantry, which we'll get to here in a second. But when you come in through, you're gonna see the same kind of features, updates. It's styled slightly different, so you're gonna see a different color in LVP flooring, but it's the same grade. But this area right down here is really nice. So you've got a couple of different things. First thing, you've got a half bathroom in here. You do have a cloak closet in here. You do have a larger drop zone. Same style, you're gonna see this batten board style, custom millwork, and the laundry room. We are not going into the laundry room, but it is right on the main level, which is really nice as well. When you come through to the main open living floor concept, here's one of the big differences you're gonna see immediately. It is really big, wide open. You do have the copper ceilings on the home office, and you also have them in the primary living room, which is fantastic. And the floors are elevated, so you can have 10-foot ceilings over the living room area, so that copper ceiling doesn't take away from the height. It looks really good. But as you can see, really nice. You've got the double pane glass sliding doors over there with a screened in porch. You've got the TV, you've got the gas fireplace. Really nice. You could put a couple of custom built-ins if you wanted to. Here is the dining area. So this is probably where you're going to do most of your everyday eating in here. So you've got a nice six-seater table in here, beautiful light fixture, and there's just windows everywhere you see. It's probably not going to come across too good because today I brought the English rainy weather with me, but typically you're going to see this is going to be really wide open and bright. Here's another entrance point if you want to go ahead and get access to that screened in porch, but this is where the money is right here. Everybody's favorite room in the house is, of course, the kitchen. This one has similar features. You're gonna see the same quartz countertops. You're gonna see that waterfall style that was in the previous model. Same, you've got the microwave oven combo. You've got the gas burner cooktops, different designs as far as the backsplash. And as you can see, these are not just regular shaker cabinets. You do have the glass front end on them. And some of these go almost the way to the ceiling. So there's quite a difference. You're also gonna see the same sink. It is in the island this time, of course, and you're going to see an off color from the island cabinets to the kitchen main cabinets. You do have these where you sink. The last floor plan did not have a walk-in pantry. This one does, but not only does it have a walk-in pantry, you're also going to see this incredible butler's pantry area. So I love these because you could put your coffee machines, you could put all your everyday toaster ovens, all the junk that you don't want on your kitchen island, you can just enclose in here and make that kitchen look nice and clean. Now, as I said earlier, this one does have a primary owner suite on the main level, and that's where we're going to go right now. But I love how it's tucked away out of the rest of the house in here. You've got additional storage in here, but I love how they flow the floors all the way through. There is no transition to carpet in the bedroom in the main level, and this is just absolutely ginormous. I mean, There is so much space between the beds. You could put another piece of furniture here if you wanted to. You could even put a TV on the wall if you wanted that private kind of sanctuary. And you do have these beveled edge tray ceilings, which are a nice feature in here. Another feature that the other Riley floor plan did not have is you can have his and hers walk-in closets, really nice. And it's still LVP flooring until you get to the primary owner suite bathroom. And again, you're gonna have the his and her style. So you're gonna have a sink on one side, you're gonna have the shower on there. This one does, of course, have the bathtub. You got another linen closet over here, and you have the second sink on this one. So you have different features in this floor plan that really sets us apart. Now we're gonna go ahead and check out outside, but I wanna go ahead and ask you to stick around because wait until you see this surprise in the second level. So when you come up the hallway on the second level, it looks pretty similar, but here's where this big surprise is. You're gonna have the same flooring, and then you're gonna get into this incredible movie room. I'm calling it a movie room. You could use this as a loft area, bonus room, media room, but this is perfect because you've got these huge double doors in here. TV on the wall, you could position the furniture in this to really get the best use of space on this. Now when you come through here, the bedrooms are all on this side of the house. So we're gonna go ahead and do a walk-through on them because there's some really nice features on here. Second level does have that LVP flooring, but the additional bedrooms, they've chose to put carpet in here, something you could change. Really nice bench there on the windowsill, so a great little spot, especially if this room's gonna be used for one of your kids in here. Now still, you're gonna have this carpet area that transitions over. You've got the built-in closets on this side, but it almost seems like a little dressing room area, which I really like, so go ahead and put a comment below here. Then you're gonna come into this bathroom, and it does, of course, have a pocket door, so you're gonna have very similar tile. You got the quartz countertops, cabinets in here, you've got your toilet and your walk-in shower, which is really nice. So let's keep rolling through. So there is an entrance to this bathroom through the hallway landing. That's extra storage space, but there's an additional bedroom that comes right through. Same features. This one, of course, is probably a little bit bigger, and it has a walk-in closet versus the built-in. So depending on the age of your kids, it might be a better fit for one rather than the other. Again, carpet up here. Front of the house, no window sill, but it's a bit bigger in size. And then this one has its own bathroom connected through a Jack and Jill for the additional bedroom. So we're kind of walking through a trail here, so kind of stay with us. Same kind of countertops, cabinetry. This one has a bathtub in here and a toilet built-in combo. Real nice little feature. But there's an entrance as well for the additional bedroom. So more bedrooms, guess what? Front of the house. This one is identical than the one that we just came. It's just flipped as far as its footprint goes, and then you have its nice large walk-in closet on this side. And now we're back to the main level area. So depending on where you are, there's different ways to get into these bedrooms, but it's great. It feels like everything's connected, and this floor plan really works. And if you want additional storage without going into the attic, there is literally square footage in there. You could store your Christmas trees and all your decorations, seasons that you just want out of the way during the regular year. Okay, so what does this one cost? Let's go ahead and talk about it. So let me know which of the two floor plans you preferred. The first one, which was called the Riley, or this one, which is the Kensington. Now, the first one was 3,100 square feet, so it is not a small house. It's not a slouch by any stretch of the imagination. This is just slightly bigger, and this community has over 100 different floor plans available. So whatever you're looking for your price point, in the 300s all the way to the high 900s, there is options in this community. But some distinct features of the primary level owner suite on here, and you've also got that incredible loft / movie room up there, which I really love. HOA is identical. The price for this particular house is $669,000. So you're really looking at the low to mid 600s with this floor plan. Depending on what updates you have, you can push that price up. But as you can see, in this price point, there really isn't a whole lot of options with these kind of custom, semi-custom level finishes in this subdivision. So if this is something you're interested in, I'm gonna go ahead and put my phone number below as well, my email. Go ahead, reach out to me, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I would love to be your agent of choice. So if you're thinking about making that move here to the Charlotte area, go ahead and reach out to me today. And until the next video, I'll see you around town, and God bless.